All right, hey guys, speedometer not working. Got a couple lights on the dash. You got a Suburban or a Chevy like this, the GMT 400, old body style. You came to the right place. Let me show you how to, just walk you through how to diagnose this so you're not chucking some parts at it. I hope this helps you out. If it does, you know what I'd like you to do. Just don't smash anything. Let's get to it. All right, so check it out. I got a little check engine light action, a little ABS light action, and I got no speedometer action. Let's see what the problem is. You could just throw a part at it. That's fine. It's not that expensive. Or you could actually fix it. Check it out. Here's what you can do. This is common for the wiring, chafing through somewhere. What you would do is you'd come over here to, it's your blue plug. It's the one furthest most here. Boop, pull it out. And then you would check the resistance between its pins 29 and 30. Oh, you got it upside down. And this is 29 and 30. These two guys here. Oop, I lost one. So you pop that in there. Check out your resistance. It's open sesame. Whoop, whoop. So check out, here's what you do. You could take the time to go ahead and go from, it's the same wire color, all the way back to the VSS, vehicle speed sensor. It's green with the black stripe and purple with the white stripe. You can go ahead and check. I'm talking about checking the factory wires being all good and a complete circuit. What you can do is just take a paper clip and jump the connector at the vehicle speed sensor, and then when you check this, it'll come up as like 0.5 or something, showing that it's a complete circuit. We don't have a complete circuit. So what we're gonna do is, what I found was the wiring coming out of the connector was no good. All right, hit stop. Go ahead, come around. Let's get to our vehicle speed sensor. All right, so we come around the side of the vehicle, get down here, and we'll just come up around the back side here, come right up over the top. Remember that movie with Stallone? And so we come over the top, and there we go. This little guy right here. Check it out. Boop. You can unplug that. Now we can put our paper clip in. All right, so when you go to check it, just go ahead and put a paper clip in here, and then we'll check those pins up at the computer. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and check and make sure we got a complete circuit now. Remember, this is what you can do beforehand to make sure you have a complete circuit. So, go ahead and we check pins 29 and 30. Boop, and there we go. Boop. Look at that. So we got, 1 ohm of resistance. That's great, we got a complete circuit. We'll go ahead and plug that in, and we should have a good vehicle speed sensor now. We should have our, this should be good. That's nice, yeah, good. All right, so guys, remember, when you go to test, you're gonna do pins 29 and 30. It's gonna be this one here, right next to the last one, and then the one right next to that one. That's pins 29 and 30. All right, guys, so with the VSS hooked up, you should see something like, we were doing 29 and 30. You should see something like we got, 1.5 thousand ohms. So that's with everything hooked up. We got a complete circuit now. We're ready to bust the tires loose. I'll see you next time. Thanks. There we go. Look at that, man. No lights and the speedometer's working.